Hello, let's learn how to see boost post insights on Instagram. If we have boosted a post on Instagram, how will we see the results? Let's learn that. Let's go to Instagram. Here I am on this account where I have currently boosted a post. You'll see this currently boosted. And you can see this another option which is view insights. Click on view insights. Now you'll see on top it's written add insights. So this is all boost post insights which you are seeing here. Now if you see on top, a quick summary is 24 people have liked it. Then if you see second one is comments, if somebody has commented. For now nobody has commented. Third is if somebody has shared this to someone. So that is share. And the fourth one is bookmark if somebody has saved it. So all these is quick summary of it. Let's see the overview. The first thing to see here is reach, that how many people this post has went to. So this is the reach which you see 12,537. So these are 12,537 unique people who have seen this post through our ad, through your boost post. Second, you'll see content interaction, which is 25, that somebody liked it, somebody shared it. So that is content interaction. And profile activity, that somebody had come on our profile. So you can see that. Here I'm using this ad goal which is profile visit. I want people to visit the profile. Let's scroll it a bit. Now you'll see this 12,537 is unique. And we have got impressions which is 18,833, that the post went to these unique people and some of them have seen this post twice or thrice. And we call it as frequency. That let's say I have seen this post twice in ads. So 𝗙𝗵𝘁 is one, which is reach, but 𝗙𝗵𝘁 has seen it twice, that is impression. So it will be counted as one reach and two impressions. If you have seen this post, let's say 5 times through ads, so the reach will be 1, which is you, and impression will be 5. So impression is like how many people have seen it, maybe twice, thrice, and more number of times. So you'll see 18,834 impressions here, and from ad you can see from the latest ad which is 18,064, that is through ads. Then again all the summary is descriptive, that your content interaction 24 like and 1 saved, so total is 25. Profile activity 60 people. So if you see 56 people have visited your profile, out of them 4 have followed you. So this is also increasing my followers. And you can see that what is happening in this ad, I had put 336 rupees total, out of which 189 is spent and a bit is left, of course. And how much I'm getting as cost per profile visit, which is my which was my call to action, which was my goal, so which is 2.67. That if you divide 336 as in for now 189 by people who are visiting me, which is 56, so I can get my cost per profile visit. So that descriptive results you will see, and 2 days remaining. Now you'll see this, which is audience, that who has seen your ad in percentage. Like, so if you see 42.7 women, 57% is men. Scroll it, you'll see the age range, that how many people are reacting to, who are these people, of what age range. So you see this 25 to 34 is the maximum one. So maybe in my next ad, I can use this as my audience age range. And you'll see the location. This I'm boosting it in Gujarat. So I see the location as Gujarat. So you can see this entire insights of your boost post. All you have to do is click on view insights.